Hello and welcome to Super Profit Club. In this video, I'm going to take you through one very basic lesson on the swing trading. It is very important, and if you learn this, most of your trades will be profitable, and also you will taking the trades that you should not be taking. Don't act on anybody's advice or tips. Do your own analysis, and if you watch this video till the end, you will be to analyze a stock yourself and decide whether to take it or not. My name is Sumit Gupta, and I've been trading in the stock market for more than 18 years. And through these videos, I lessons on swing trading and stock trading, which are related to mindset, trading strategies, risk management, money management, and almost all aspects of swing trading. That the objective of these videos is not to give you any investment or trading advice or tips, but it is more about learning. And that if you follow the lessons that I share, these could be beneficial for you. You can earn some profits using these techniques. So the results vary from person to person, so there are no guarantees in the stock market, but I'm sure you will do well. Like, subscribe, and share this video with others. Subscribe to our channel and keep coming back for more such lessons. Let me get to this. If you trade in the stock market and if you use swings, I've taken this date so that I have to start somewhere. If you are starting to learn swing trading today on 10th of November, how would you go about it? And then I'll take you forward. I use a bar chart for because I follow Gann techniques for swing trading. Okay, in Gann's trading, he used bar charts and he used swing charts. Okay. Swing charts is a complex concept which cannot be learned in just one video. To learn how the swing charts are constructed, you can keep coming back to these videos or join one of my programs. But here I will give you the concept that you can apply. Gann used bar charts and he did not use the candlestick charts, right? For whatever I'm telling you today, it's the bar chart that's the basic. Okay. On the bar chart, there are 4 points. This is one bar. There are 4 points that are denoted on the screen. One is open, the second one is high, the third one is low, and the close. For swing trading, we do not focus on open and close. In a candlestick chart, they focus on open and close. Today, the lesson that I'm giving you, you have to only focus on high and low. High and low. These are the 2 points that you have to remember. How do you look at when a swing is forming? You have to look at this bar and the swing continues in a direction based on simple concept of the up day and down day. Okay, these are the 2 words that you should remember: up day and down day. What is an up day? Up day is when the high and low of the previous day or the previous bar are higher than the low and high of the previous day. Okay, let me give you an example. So if you see this bar on this day, on 4th of October, I'm just giving an example and it applies to all the bars the same way. So if you see, the high was 2319 on 4th of October on this bar and low was 2295.1. Next day, while it is a red one, don't worry about the color. Okay, it is not important. The high of previous day was 2319 and today's high is of this 5th of October high is 2329. This means the high is higher than the high of previous day, right? Previous bar. The low was 2295. The low today is 2309 on this 5th of October. So this means this, despite being a red color, that's a different concept which has been applied here. But this is a up day. You can see the low is here. This low is here, which is higher than this low. That means this is an up day. Next day, if you see, while the low is higher, but the high is lower than this. So this is nothing. This is neither an up day. This is not a down day. Okay. Ignore this day completely. Next day is a down day. Why? Because always you have to look at the previous day only. When I say ignore, it is only for that day. But next day when you go, you compare it to this. So you can clearly see the low is also lower than the previous day. The high is also lower than the previous day. That means it's a low day. Understand this concept. Up day is when the high is higher than the high of the previous bar and low is also higher than the high of or low of the previous bar. Okay. And when you opposite it, that means it's a down day, which means the high is lower than the high of previous bar and the low is also lower than the low of the previous bar. Simple, right? Repeat this video as many times as you have to, but understand this concept. Once you are clear on the concept of up day and down day, right? That's the first lesson. The second step comes in is how do you look at the swings? As long as you keep seeing up days without seeing a down day, it is an upswing. If the stock is making higher highs and higher lows, the swing is continuing up. When does an upswing end? The first time you see a down day. Then the downswing starts and continues till the time you keep seeing down days. When does a downswing end? When you see an upswing. Okay, simple. As long as you keep seeing down days, which is you keep seeing the lower highs and lower lows, that's a downswing. The first time you see a downswing or a down day or an up day, the swing ends, right? Understand this. Once you understand this, then you can identify when a downswing is ending and an upswing may be in place. Let's take an example here. If you see here, it's going down, 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 down till this day. So this is a downswing happening. Because you're not seeing an upswing, you should not take the trade and you should not enter the trade at this time. On this day, unless you see this high being breached, right, you should not enter the trade at all, despite anyone giving any advice or tip. Okay, this is a good day. Now, when do you enter? Once this downswing has ended, it would end once you see it breaching 2258. On this 26th of October, it went beyond that. That means it's an up day. After this, you can expect the swing to be forming on the upside, and that is the time when you should take a long trade. If it is not the case, leave it alone. If somebody gave you a tip on this particular day and then you're seeing nothing coming in here and it is just in the downswing, you could have, it went down from 2367 to about 2220, 147 rupees or 6% down. You could have saved yourself so much just from this information or the knowledge that I have shared with you today. Only get in when the upswing starts. Once you see the down day, you should be ready now that it could be going down. So once you see the second down day, exit the position. If you have to have this swing low, this downswing low would act as your stop loss if you have to enter the position. Once it is breached, just exit. Though there's more techniques which are there, it is not as simple as that. Do not enter a trade on a down day, or unless you have seen or expect that day to become an up day. Enter only if once the upswing is confirmed, right? Which means once it breaches the high of the previous day, not before that. This identification of the swings, when a swing starts, when an upswing is starting, when a downswing is starting, this can help you a lot to save your valuable money and being out of the trade, which is not going to go your way any. You can enter at the right time and you can exit at the right time. So I wish you all the best. And if you like this video, just like this video and subscribe to our channel and share it with others who may want to learn from it. And to your wealth, freedom, and happiness, I wish you all the best. If you want to learn more about swing trading, join one of my masterclass or join one of my programs, the links to which are given in the description below, and become a profitable trader.